Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Dexscreener coins using MetaMask. First, ensure you have MetaMask installed and set up. You'll need to fund your wallet with a base cryptocurrency, typically Ethereum or a stablecoin, to cover both the purchase and transaction fees. Always double-check the network you are on, as incorrect networks can lead to lost funds. Having sufficient funds for gas is crucial for smooth transactions. Next, head over to Dexscreener.com. Use the search bar to find the specific coin you're interested in. It's important to review the token's chart, liquidity, and trading volume to assess its viability. Once you've identified a coin, carefully copy its contract address. This address is essential for ensuring you're interacting with the correct token and avoiding scams. Now, open a decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap, in your browser. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the exchange. Paste the token's contract address into the To field. Input the amount of your base cryptocurrency you wish to swap. Review all transaction details, including potential slippage and gas fees, before confirming the swap in MetaMask. After initiating the swap, a MetaMask pop-up will appear. Carefully review the gas fees and the total amount. Confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the blockchain will process your request, which usually takes a few moments. Finally, add the newly acquired token to your MetaMask wallet using its contract address so you can easily see your balance. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.